Now this video is to give you an idea of what to look for when you come across these trays that have various coins and tokens, US and foreign countries, what to look for. And what I would recommend is, number one, trying to see if you can find any silver coins in there. Once you get good at it, you'll know right away what countries, what years had so much silver. A quick way you can do it is to simply, from a low height, just quickly drop it on the glass countertop. It'll give you a certain chime. There's also that ping test where you can hold it like that in your one finger and use your other hand and tap another coin on there. Another thing that you want to look for is some tokens. A lot of times there's some pretty interesting tokens in here. If they're US, if they're foreign, if they're modern, or if they're a little older, you never know what you're going to find. Now these are the OPAs, OPA, I want to say the tax for food. I'm not sure exactly, but they had red ones, they had blue ones. And then let's zoom in on this. There's two little letters on either side of that number one. Can't get a good lighting here. And those two letters, you could do a quick search and find out if the letters are a little bit more rare than others. And a lot of times certain countries like China, Mexico, Great Britain, those are a little bit more popular. Russian coins as well. And that's what I do when if I do come across a tray and it catches my attention, I'll scan through. Number one, looking for silver. And a lot of times there'll be like these larger coins. It won't say anything 999 or 925 on it, but if you flip it on the edge, there'll be some stamps. So always check the edge if you're not sure. And that's all I can tell you. Good luck out there, and leave a comment below. Share with me some cool finds you have come across in these trays, either at a shop or a show, and I look forward to reading your comments. Thank you. Bye.